All right, if you guys are looking for a great muzzle for your dog, this is a really good one because they're able to drink water and eat from it. This is not gonna disturb them too much on their mouth because the other one's tied up their nose and their mouth, and they can't even open their mouth. This one, I'm gonna show you how much room you have on this one, right? So I actually like it a lot. So if you're gonna walk your dog and you're worried about him biting another person, or maybe just because he looks intimidating and you put this on, people feel more comfortable around him. So I don't really personally put these on my dogs too much unless I go out with one of them. And believe it or not, the vicious one is the golden retriever. So we're gonna put this together and see how it looks on him. Just want you to see, and this is how it looks. He's able to breathe, and it goes wrapped around him. I'm able to actually loosen it up some more, and it's not too tight on him right now, and this is perfect. But look at him, he's very comfortable, he's okay with it. Dogs sometimes take them off and start scratching themselves, but so he's okay with it. Just make sure you work with the actual ribbon first before you tie it up, and this is perfect. He can breathe through there, and it's large enough for his nostril, good enough for breathing and control. This is perfect for control. If you're going to train your dog, you can control him too. So let's take it off. And taking it off is simple. There's a little clip here on the side. And look how simple it is. So